Oh! Hello everyone! This is Miss Jin from your after-school program teacher. I am here today to teach you how to create your very own jumping frog! Yay! Let's get started! These are the material that you'll need. 1 piece of white paper, 1 scissor, and 1 box of color markers. Here are the steps to make an origami paper. Step 1. You need to grab a corner of the paper to fold it across. Don't forget to make a crease on your paper. That should look like a right triangle. Step 2. Unfold the paper and flip it over. Repeat step 1. Step 3. Bring out the scissors, then follow the folded line to cut out the excess paper. It should look like this. Step 4. Unfold the paper, and we have an origami paper. Before we can start with our frog, we need to make the foundation. Fold the origami paper in half. Bring out the scissors to cut the paper, and then unfold the paper. Follow the crease line. Pick one of the strips and bring out the color markers. Color one side of the strip, you'll see why later. And here's some color pattern design to inspire you. Step 1. Flip it over to see the white side of the strip. Step 2. Grab the corner of the strip to fold it across. Don't forget to create the crease onto the strip. Step 3. Unfold the strip and turn it around. Grab the other corner of the strip and fold it across. Step 4. Unfold the strip and fold it again into half, but stop at the crease point where my fingers are pointing at. It should look like this. Step 5. Unfold the strip and tuck the sides. If you have a hard time tucking the side, fold the half crease backwards and try again. Just like I did. Then tuck the side and fold it downward onto the strip. Step 6. Grab the bottom of the strip and fold it up close to the triangle. Step 7. Lift the triangle flat so you can see the middle crease line. Fold the outside strip and pull it inside, but stop at the middle crease line. Repeat step 7 on the other side, and stop at the middle crease line. It should look like a house. Step 8. Take the bottom of the strip and fold it up to the triangle. Grab the corner of the side to fold it downward, like the beginning part of making a paper airplane. Step 9. This is a tricky part. Unfold the bottom and pull out the sides. Step 10. Grab one of the edge corner and pull it down. Same goes to the other edge corner. Step 11. Grab one of the bottom corner and pull it up to the side. Do the same thing to the other bottom corner. Step 12. Grab the bottom corner of the triangle and fold it up. Don't point it straight, but point it at the side. It is kind of close to the triangle point, but not too close. Same goes to the other side of the corner triangle. Remember, don't point it straight, but point it at the side. Now we have finished our set of froggy legs. Step 13. Grab the bottom of the frog and fold it up. Bring the same fold bending backward at the crease edge. Similar to making a paper fan. Ta-da! Now we have finished our paper frog. Now you can see why we color the strip of origami first. Once it is done, yours might look like these. Now to make your frog jump, just place one of your finger at the back edge of the frog. Gently push down and see it jump. It might take several practices before you get a hang of it. Wow, that was a lot of fun. On that note, what is your favorite frog? Leave your answer at the comment down below. Mine is the deadliest poison dart frog. Fun fact, scientists think that the poison dart frog get their toxicity from some of the bugs they eat. How cool is that? Hope to see you guys again soon. Bye!